To begin, planning and preparation are key. This includes taking precise measurements for your bookshelf, ensuring it will fit perfectly in its intended space. Remember, the saying, "measure twice, cut once," is a golden rule in woodworking. Once the measurements are established, it's time to gather your materials. You'll need a selection of lumber, screws, wood glue, and varnish, along with tools such as a saw, a tape measure, a square, and a power drill. Choosing the right lumber is an important step. Different types of wood have different characteristics, and the one you choose can dramatically affect the final look and feel of your bookshelf. For our project, we'll be using a type of wood that is both durable and easy to work with. Now comes the exciting part: assembling your bookshelf. Start by building the frame, attaching the shelves to the sides using wood glue and screws. Ensure everything is level and square. Precision is what will give your bookshelf a professional finish. As you work through each step, take your time and remember to double-check your measurements. This isn't a race. The joy is in the journey, not just the destination. To summarize, start with careful planning and preparation. Gather your materials, select your lumber, and then assemble your bookshelf with patience and precision. Remember, woodworking isn't just about building something, it's about creating. It's about turning a stack of lumber into a piece of furniture that can be appreciated and used for years to come. So why wait? Start crafting your custom bookshelf today and create a piece of furniture that is uniquely yours. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Happy building, happy